right. Beautiful day here in Georgia. Got this wonderful package in the mail from our good friend Eric All over in Canada. His slingshot company is Metro Grade Goods. Makes beautiful stuff. Still making beautiful stuff. Anyway, he sent a few of these packages out. Mystery packages. No idea. Oh, this is awesome. I should have waited till Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Christmas today. Now, this is freaking crazy awesome. Banding jig. That is super great. Oh, man. Paracord. Ammo holder. It's a little glass box. That is absolutely, that's wonderful. Man. Beautiful. I'll lay this out. Wow. That's a great slingshot. Just look at that, just look at it. Gotta be careful. It could be hidden in this paper. What's in that paper? Give it to me. Wow. Selgen. Sweet. Man, that is awesome. Oh, man. Ooh. Sweet flat cut. God, that's crazy. Give me that paper. Oh, man. A cool bag. Yeah. Oh, sweet. That is one of my faves. God, that is awesome. That is so awesome. I love those little things. Damn. Oh, really? Dang, look at that thing. Let me get a little bit closer. Would you look at that? Jeez, man. Oh my God. I mean, this is unbelievable. All these wonderful things. Man, it's some great paper too, man. Might make me an outfit. Ooh, what is this? Wow. Good Lord. Just look at that thing, man. Just look at that. Jeez. That's crazy awesome. Eric, man, thank you. This is wonderful. Great awesomeness. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to go back and make sure I didn't leave something in some paper down there. Ooh. Oh, that's some fancy schmancy right there. Look at that thing. Jeez. And congratulations, Eric, on that baby that's coming. Oh man, a mini version like it. So happy for you and your woman. Well deserved, my friend. Yeah. Woo! Wow. That's crazy. Oh. Tune shooter. Need a yellow jacket at my head. Man, that's great. I miss Tune. Where you at, dude? Wow. Man. There's some... Come on, yellow jacket. Get out of my face, man. Ain't messing with you. Fall time, yellow jackets. Oh, snapdragons. Good Lord. That's crazy. God. You see through that. Holy. I'm tripping, man. I'm tripping out right now. This is incredible. I love this. I love it. Okay, good Lord. Man. Oh, you are freaking kidding me. No freaking way. There's not many Tynans in the world by Lee Silva. He made me one, and Eric had one, and just a few people, other folks have it. Very, very rare. Holy shit. God, man. That's heavy. That's heavy. Thank you. Wow. I can just end right there. That's very rare Lee Silva. God, man. This is getting out of control. This is absolutely crazy. This is the craziest thing ever. But leave it to Eric. That's the way he rolls. Man. Oh, that's funny. I really like that. I've always wanted to try one of those. Oh. Man, I am just blown slap away. This is freaking me out. Thank you, Eric. Oh, man. That's freaking incredible. All right, so let's take a gander. Super freaking awesome, man. Thank you, Eric. This is like, this is so, really, I know we talked about this years ago. Anyway, big love to you, brother, and congratulations to you and your wonderful woman expecting your child. Anyway, hope to see you sometime soon.